Ew, girl, for real? You're eating tentacles? Hi guys, so today I am going to make a keto bagel, which is for Dustin. I'm gonna show you how as well, and I am going to make the octopus, a adobong octopus. Yeah, I have everything here, like my ingredients of my keto bagel. So I have a almond flour, I have a husk powder, I can't pronounce that word, so you know, I got a mozzarella cheese, mozzarella, baking powder, cream cheese, what is this? I got the Italian seasoning, and I got eggs too. This keto bagel recipe, I got this from the site sugarfreelondoner.com. He has, I don't know who owns this, but they had so much like ingredients for keto, which is I'm kind of looking forward to make all of them. I've done this before, you know, but I'm just gonna show to you how I made them. 1.5 cup. Okay, one cup. This is half. You can put more if you want to. And 4 tablespoons of cream cheese. So this is the cream cheese. I got this from Whole Foods yesterday. So this is my scale. So we need to scale. That's 64 grams already. Perfect. So that should be fine. You guys, I wash my hand, okay? I'm going to put this in my microwave for like 1 minute and 30 seconds, and yeah. So after 1 minute, we're going to mix that and put it back for 30 seconds. And now I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients, which is, you know, almond flour, husk powder, baking powder, and yeah, that's fast. Look at that, it's melted. So what we're gonna do, we're going to mix this and put this again for 30 minutes. 1 cup, perfect. Husk powder, and baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Baking. I'm gonna put a little bit of Italian seasoning. Yeah. And we are going to mix them together. So we're gonna whisk this. 1 large egg. We are going to mix this here with our spatula and fold them all together to form a dough. Diba? Now I'm gonna put the eggs. I hope this will turn good. I'm gonna do, I'm going to section this for the love for my husband, y'all. And I hope this will turn good, because last time Dustin liked it. That, and you know, poke a hole here and make it like, you know, bagel. This is just like the egg. I'm gonna put it up here. And I'm just waiting for our oven to get to 360, and we're gonna bake this for 20 minutes. So you guys, while my bagel is, you know, baking, I'm going to cook my octopus. I boiled them so it's like soft. I'm so excited for my dinner as well. Yes, we're gonna take the head. Some ginger, some onions, peppers, and garlic. You guys, 6 minutes more. Ooh, I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm almost done. Beep! There you go. Woohoo! Look at that, you guys. Yeah. A smallest bagel that you can get. Ooh. It's so crunchy, and we're gonna let that set, and maybe later Dustin can try that. So for now, let's just go ahead and make our adobo. Olive oil. So you guys, like, you know, like if I am in the mood of cooking, I can cook the whole day. But if I am in the mood of laziness, I'm not cooking anything, like I'm saying. So yeah, my cooking and how it tastes like, it's based on my mood, okay? Is it just me or you two, y'all? Like, you know, we have this moment like, I don't want to cook, but I need to, because if I'm not gonna cook, I'm going to starve. And you know, this is going to be my food tomorrow at work, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited that I don't know if I'm gonna tell them what it is, because I'm pretty sure maybe my work was like, oh, girl, for real? You're eating tentacles? Maybe not, or maybe they will like it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not sharing anyways. So let's cook ginger first. I love the aroma of ginger. And after that, I'm going to put my onion. Let's chop onion. Onion powder. Garlic. So now we are going to put our octopus. Yan. Ooh. Let's mix this together. Some pepper. I'm gonna put some soy sauce. Yan. Adobo marinade sauce from Mamacita's, and Mamacita's oyster sauce. Mix all of this together. Oh, now look at that. And let's put the peppers. We're gonna bring this to a broil. Okay. Now I'm going to put this in a Ziploc and put in the refrigerator, because, you know, Dustin, I made him a steak so he can eat. It's gonna be like too much for him. Yeah, I think this is good. So it's done, you guys, and now it's time for me to eat. Yeah, that's how it looks. Ooh. Antayin ko na lang yung kanin, tapos kain na ako. Gonna eat a little bit, and I don't go to sleep full, like, you know what I'm saying? Cause girl, hindi ko gusto rumonday. Okay, so this is my, guys see my dinner. Ayan, umusok-usok pa. And then, peppers. Yesterday, I bought kimchi. Put this here in my plate. Yan. Yum! Bon appetit! Kasi Charles. Lambot. With kimchi, sarap. Filipina ako. Ang asawa ko tulog na. Sarap talaga ng kimchi, no? So you guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it. Just so you guys know that I did not do keto, just my husband. I'm just the one preparing his food. Cause girl, who else? I'm saying, yeah. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I hope you like this video. And if you do like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's be friends. Cause always, why not? And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye. I just wanna dance. I just wanna